The following portion of Great Day KC is sponsored by Frontier Schools.
STEM is coming to life in a big way right here in Kansas City. The KC STEM Fest is a free one-day event that gives students the chance to show off their creativity in science, technology, engineering, and math, all while connecting with the community. Joining us today to share what families can expect at this year's event are Rochelle Breslin and Salim Stakim, both teachers at Frontier Schools. Good morning and welcome in.
Good morning.
Thank you for being here. Of course. So for those who aren't quite familiar, what is KC STEM Fest all about? And of course, what makes it special for the students, families, and also the Kansas City community?
KC STEM Fest is an opportunity for our students at all of our campuses to showcase what they've been working on with their STEM projects in science, engineering, architecture, any kind of project that they've been working on all year, to showcase for our communities, for their families, for anybody to come in and to take a look, and for all of our students to see what their peers have been doing and working on. And there's hands-on projects for students to interact with and for their parents to interact with and to have fun.
Okay, that sounds like a lot of fun. So when I think of STEM, my son participated in his robotics program at his previous school, and they were building all types of things. So what are some of the projects and hands-on projects that people will be able to be a part of when they come?
We do have multiple robotics programs, all the way down from our elementary to middle school to high school, that will be showcased there. I have some kiddos in robotics for a couple of different, in elementary and in middle school. We have actually 8 different teams in our middle school that will be showcased there for robotics. And then our high school, how many teams?
Well, we have 2 teams at the moment. Yes, and let me give you some information about what's happening at the high school. We have Frontier Schools are following Project Lead the Way curriculum, and where students can choose different pathways such as engineering, biomedical, or computer science.
Nice.
So, and they do not only learn about the theory, but they work like real-time engineers. They solve problems. They do innovate, they do their own designings, and they do their own troubleshooting. And students from these pathways also join to our robotics programs.
Yeah.
Mine is called First Tech Robotics. We are a team of 13 students. We are called Robotaholics. And actually this Saturday we have a competition to attend to.
Okay, awesome. So I love that schools nowadays are creating these pathway type of curriculum so that, you know, kids can kind of experience what they would like to do in the future before, you know, hitting college and things like that. But really quick, like, what do you hope students and visitors take away from this KC STEM Fest this weekend?
Well, KC STEM Fest put everyone into one room, students and businesses and community, right? Businesses can see the students who can actually troubleshoot, critical think, and then build and make stuff. These are the skills that most of the professionals are looking for during their hiring process. And students have the opportunity to talk to professionals, get their advices, and sometimes to make partnership with them. It's also a good opportunity to see the importance of supporting STEM activities at our school.
Absolutely, definitely. It is never too early to start connecting and networking with people who, you know, are in, you know, the fields that these kids want to be a part of. So thank you so much for being here and doing what you're doing for our students.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you for having
us.
us.
Of course.
Come and join us.
Yeah, you can experience KC STEM Fest for yourself this Friday from 9 to 11 a.m. at the Frontier School of Innovation Middle School Gymnasium. It is completely free, y'all, and a great way to support young innovators in our community. For more details, just head to kcstemfest.org.
The preceding portion of Great Day KC was sponsored by Frontier Schools.